We just listed 127 Madsen Avenue. The response has been unbelievable. Let me show you exactly why. Let's go check out this house. It is sick. So first, before we do anything, this is the driveway. I mean, you could fit, I don't know, 10 cars here. You could even go all the way up this driveway if needed. You have massive parties at this beautiful house. Let's get inside and check it out. This door is insanely heavy. Beautiful wrought iron door. My daughter's tagging along with us, by the way. So here's your garage, right? Gym, workout, garage, park car, whatever you want. Okay, now we'll head up to the main home first. Look how truly beautiful this house is. Big TV, electric fireplace. Look at the light fixtures, the crown molding, floor, beautiful skylight. Ice cold air shooting out of that quietly. You can have a little office space here or whatever you want. Dining. Again, look at all the fixtures. Look at this kitchen. Island, backsplash. Again, look at the fixtures. True hood, everything. Top-notch stainless steel. Closet. Bathroom number 1. Look how beautiful. Now there's 4 bedrooms up here. This one we're using as an awesome men's closet, but this is a bedroom if needed. This is the primary. Again, look at that wallpaper. Just gorgeous, gorgeous fixtures, everything very neutral. Has its own bathroom as well. Bedroom number 3 is being used as an office for an awesome bow company that they own, but very beautiful, very spacious bedroom. Again, nice light fixture. Closets, every bedroom has, of course, closets, windows. And bedroom number 4, again, being utilized as a big office, but this is a very large room also. Security cameras, big TV. Now, let's go check out the outside. So first, you have this awesome covered screen porch here on the 2nd floor. You could look out over your pool, which we're about to go see downstairs right now. You can sit out here, relax, obviously whatever you want. Coffee in the morning, drink at night. Now let's go check out downstairs. Look at this yard. This is what makes the house. First of all, backs up to the woods. No houses behind you. Nothing like that at all. You are free and clear back here. Look at this. I mean, can you imagine? Look at this built-in kitchen, bar, fireplace, TV, lounge area, skylights, lights, fan, island. I mean, can you imagine? Entertaining back here. And then, of course, gorgeous, gorgeous pool. Waterfall feature, heated, salt water. This is just some yard. This is what makes this house, on top of it being absolutely beautiful inside, on top of it having a 2-bedroom apartment, on top of it having a studio. Look at this yard. And now, as we wrap up, let me just show you the layout. I'm not going to show you the apartments today. The tenants are busy. But, again, look at this driveway. It's insane. So this is entrance to the studio. This is like a mother-daughter studio. There is an entrance into the home from here. And as we continue along, of course, like we said before, this is your actual front door. Look at this driveway. Look at the block. It's a gorgeous block. Quiet, beautiful homes, big land, garage. And then this is the entrance to the 2-bedroom apartment. It's up this side. So that's right here. So again, this is its complete own 2-bedroom apartment, legal 2-family. And then on the other side, you have that mother-daughter studio. But this house literally leaves nothing to be desired. What do you think, Mama? Good house? She approves it.